going on, family? This your brother, you know who it is. On my way to this plantation. You know it is what it is. I gotta do what gotta be done. Other than that, I'm feeling good as hell. Had a good Black Power yoga session this morning. Riding to the king of pop, Michael Jackson. Good vibrations, good vibes. Hey, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna be stopped. My energy's too high. Energy too high. I'm in the body, but I ain't even here. You know, I've been done made my transition. But it's on. It's on, family. Get your energy up. Keep that shit up. Study hard. Eat good. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy your loved ones. And bang on that beast. Education. Liberation through education. Alright? Black Power. You know, BPC. Black Liberation. We're gonna do the damn thing this year. It's all on the line. All on the line. But what I want you to know is, like I said, the most important thing in this battle and war is our energy. Energy is supreme. Black Power.